Welcome to the Hair Truck Center virtual showroom, Indiana's oldest Chevrolet dealer and #1 Isuzu dealer. Today I bring to an Isuzu NQR 17950 GVW Diesel regular cab chassis with 11-foot Knapheide dump. Inside the cab we have power windows, power locks, your AM/FM radio with Bluetooth capabilities, 3-person seating with workstation in the center. The Knapheide dump body is black in color with fold-down sides. Along with in the rear, you have your trailer hitch and plug for your trailering capabilities, your double-acting tailgate. If you have any questions on this vehicle or anything else, call us at the number below or visit us on our Facebook page at the Hair Truck Center or on the web at www.hairtruckcenter.com. Hair Truck Center, a dealer for your business.